clear to cross runway 28 center and taxi to park.
Clear 731, turn left heading 250, runway 2 right in November 5, clear for takeoff.
Left turn heading 250, clear for takeoff, 28 right November 5, clear link 731.
Maple 7610, you can contact Chicago departure 1250.
250, Maple 7610, good morning.
50 gate 32, turn right heading 360.
Continuing right turn 360 now, BTK 32.
BTK 32, contact departure 1250.
250, great day, BTK 32.
Copter 2, I'll tell you, where do you want to go after you proceed eastbound? Because I do have some arrivals. Do you want to end up going southeast or northeast?
Let's do east, go ahead, downtown.
JetBlue 311 at Papa 4, cross only 28 right, turn right on November, contact 1219 are there.
That's 28 right, Bravo 4, and then on November contact ground 219, JetBlue 311.
JetBlue 311, traffic to move into position 4. That was 5712, Parkway curve. Started, traffic southbound fuel, going to right for 1 month. Got it, 2554, all air tower, the wind 25012, runway 2 right at November 5, line up and wait, causeway curve on 777, departed from the full length about 2 minutes ago. By the time you get turned around, you'll be ready to go.
Alright, line up and wait for November 5 and
Yeah, 2554 traffic is a helicopter 3 miles south of the field at 900 feet. They are low level. It should be no issue for you, but plan that just go straight out so you get a little altitude and I'll have to turn to the left. Number 4387, O'Hare Tower, the wind 250 at 11. Traffic's on a 10 mile final for the crossing runway. Additional traffic is a helicopter low level, 3 level actually, about 2 miles off the departure end of runway 22 left. Again, they're at 900 feet or below. Runway 22 left, line up and wait. You're at 1980, you copy the traffic about the low level helicopter off the end.
Okay, helicopter off the end, and what was the last?
He's low level, even he's pretty top level, 2 miles off the departure end. You're just going to go straight out till you get some altitude. I'll just, you might see him on the scope. That way? Well, I got 3 arrivals for 28 center, then I'll probably have a gap. Let's plan 28 center next.
28 center next, City 3 next.
Helicopter 86 Juliet, traffic just off the departure end of 22 left. There's a 73 and a left turn out to the southeast.
We got it, maintain the visual, 86 Juliet.
86 Juliet, visual separation is approved, caution wait turbulence. United 1980, you're already well above that helicopter. You can contact departure 12662.
2662, let's see it.
City 39 and company, clear of runway 28 right.
City 39 and company, thank you. United 2200, turn right heading 040, runway 28 right at November 5, clear for takeoff.
Alright, clear for takeoff, 28 right, November 5, take 040. Good morning, Tower, King 229, runway 28 center.
King 229 Heavy, O'Hare Tower, the wind 2609, runway 28 center, clear to land.
Let's land the runway 28 center, King 229.
November, report ready, Japan 9 up.
Center 9 Heavy, runway 2 right echo Alpha 1.
Green Bird, Echo, line upon way, Japan and Niner.
American 24.
South 59 Heavy, 2 right turns on Papa, hook for the Foxtrot.
American Papa, Hotel Foxtrot, 229.
American 24 Heavy, American 22 Foxtrot, cross runway 28 center, taxi to southeast cargo ramp.
Okay, Foxtrot cross the runway 28 center, then taxi to parking, Hawking 229.
American 22 2 right turns on Papa, for the Gulf South. 9 company at Zulu, General 28 center, eastbound report clear.
City 39 and Company, proceeding on runway 28 center from taxiway Zulu eastbound.
Defender Niner Heavy, contact departure 1250.
1250, Japan and Niner.
No, 1219er on November.
What the hell? American.
Number 4430, fly runway heading, remain the frequency for turn off to departure, and actually, you know what, number 4430. United 628, turn left to a heading of 180.
Left turn heading 180, United 628.
November 4430, turn left to a heading of 220, remain the frequency, runway 28 right at November 5, clear for takeoff. 240, runway 28 right at November 5, clear for takeoff.
Flight 040, clear for takeoff, United 766.
United 2349, O'Hare Tower, the wind 25011, runway 28 right November 5, on the way.
Runway 28 right, November 5,
Number 4430, amend the heading, it's still left turn, head south, heading 180.
180 heading 4430.
November 5, clear for takeoff. United 747, O'Hare Tower, runway 28 right November 5, line up and wait to wind 25010.
That's the way to it right, November 5, United 747.
Number 4532, contact departure 1250.
1250, number 4532.
Okay, runway. Where are you parking, sir? Mike 17. Okay, turn right on Papa, hold to the Golf. Turn right Papa, hold short of Golf, China 70.9. So 7049 heavy, monitor tower 132.7. One is power 132.7, China 70.9. Monitor tower 132.7. 32.7. Brick 3686, if you're able, we'll go right out. Traffic's on a 3-mile final. And West 954, monitor tower 132.7. 1 to 1, 2.71. Got 3686, turn left heading 140, right 22 left, clear for takeoff. 1204, right 22 left on the way, traffic lamp 28 center. American 985, Ohio Tower, right 28 center, center lamp 2707. American 95, monitor tower 132.7. 36.7, American 95. American 35, 2009 heavy. Traffic is on a 3.5 mile final at Foxtrot. Cross runway 28 center and then turn right on Papa. The Spirit off the left, gonna wait for you. We'll cross up 28 center at Foxtrot. Take a right on Papa time. Piedmont 61, 63 over Zika 28 center. Piedmont 61, 63 right down 28 center, clear to land at 2608. Clear land 28 center, Piedmont 61, 63. Flight 3323, monitor tower 132.7. Okay, just make the right on Yankee, left on November, and then let me know when you're ready. We're 2106, double back Papa, hold short of Golf Golf.